Welcome to Auto Avenue, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we dive into the details of the 2025 E90 AJS Porcupine, a bike that combines cutting-edge technology with legendary performance. The 2025 E90 AJS Porcupine carries forward the rich heritage of the AJS brand, offering a perfect blend of classic design and modern engineering. This model is designed to deliver an exhilarating riding experience, with advanced features that cater to both casual riders and performance enthusiasts. Under the hood, the bike is powered by a high-performance liquid-cooled engine that ensures optimal efficiency and power delivery. The refined fuel injection system enhances throttle response and fuel economy, making it a great choice for long-distance rides as well as city commuting. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 model is its lightweight yet sturdy frame, which significantly improves handling and maneuverability. The chassis has been designed using aerospace-grade materials to maintain strength while keeping the overall weight low. This results in a bike that feels agile on twisty roads while maintaining stability at high speeds. The advanced suspension system further enhances ride quality, absorbing road imperfections with ease and providing a smooth experience even on rough terrain. Braking performance is another area where the E90 AJS Porcupine excels. Equipped with high-performance disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, along with an advanced ABS system, the bike ensures precise braking control in all conditions. This safety feature is crucial for riders who push their machines to the limit, offering confidence even in emergency braking situations. When it comes to design, the 2025 E90 AJS Porcupine stands out with its aerodynamic bodywork and aggressive styling. The sharp lines and well-integrated LED lighting give the bike a futuristic yet classic appeal. The full LED headlamp not only enhances visibility during night rides but also adds a premium look to the bike. The digital instrument cluster is packed with information, providing real-time data on speed, fuel consumption, gear position, and even Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration with mobile devices. Performance-wise, the engine delivers an impressive power output that ensures thrilling acceleration and top-end speed. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway, the bike remains responsive and eager to perform. The gearbox is refined for smooth shifts, allowing riders to extract the maximum potential from the engine without any lag. The exhaust system has also been optimized for both performance and sound, producing a deep, throaty note that enhances the overall riding experience. Comfort has been a key focus in the development of this model. The ergonomics have been designed to accommodate a variety of riding styles, ensuring that both short and long rides remain comfortable. The seat is well cushioned, providing adequate support for the rider and pillion. The handlebar positioning strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort, making it suitable for daily rides and weekend getaways alike. The 2025 E90 AJS Porcupine is also equipped with several smart features, including a keyless ignition system and an anti-theft alarm. The inclusion of ride modes allows riders to customize their experience based on different road conditions, adjusting power delivery and traction control for enhanced safety and performance. The connectivity options further enhance convenience, allowing riders to receive call notifications, navigation prompts, and other essential updates directly on the instrument cluster. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for this model, thanks to its advanced fuel injection system and optimized aerodynamics. Riders can expect an impressive range on a single tank, making it a great option for those who enjoy long-distance touring. The maintenance requirements have also been kept minimal, ensuring that owners can enjoy hassle-free riding without frequent visits to the service center. With a perfect combination of heritage, innovation, and performance, the 2025 E90 AJS Porcupine is set to make a mark in the world of motorcycling. Its advanced technology, powerful engine, and rider-centric features make it a compelling choice for enthusiasts looking for a bike that delivers both excitement and reliability. That wraps up our look at the 2025 E90 AJS Porcupine. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Auto Avenue for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest bikes and cars. See you in the next one.